So it's Monday, April 15, day 1:06. So may trabaho na. It's already 1:38 p.m. So lunch muna. Karaoke muna, no? Yo guys, good morning. Dito ko na end yung day 5th of April 15, no? Yung day 106 ng daily vlog. Pauwi na ako sa bahay na. It's currently 5:24 a.m. At it's been a good day, no? It's been a good day for Monday, and thankful, no, for everything, and I'm just praying better things will come in our way, especially in my family, no? Kasi may sakit si Papa, yung sa ano niya, yung term namin, yung lumbat sa tuhod niya, arteries. And I'm also thinking of about kay Ate Pat, yung mental strength niya, ano, to be mentally strong, no, sa mga challenges, no? So ganito na lang.